Guys, here's a Hunter Summer Breeze ceiling fan. This is in the living room, and it's controlled by a dimmer switch, which is not good, never good for the fan. You never put fans on dimmer switch. This is why that happens. You stop it. Start it on final low speed for this thing.
It's a nice little place.
Yeah, it is.
I think the laundry's out in the porch or something.
What?
See, this only works on high because it's not good for the fuse to run a ceiling fan on a dimmer. It's only good for lights, but if you have a light and a fan on a dimmer, that will be good. But just the light on a dimmer would not be good for fan. Feel a little air under it, not that much. Feel a breeze back here. Okay, let's turn back off. This thing only works on high, by the way.
That's nice.
Yeah, they live